I mean, I may have spent a little bit more than expected, but you know, I had 2 gift cards. So I said, you know what? Let's just put them to use, okay? Hey y'all, it's me Kelci. Welcome back to my channel. Hey, if you're new, go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram. You already know. Anyway, y'all already tell by the title of this video, I'm gonna be doing an Ulta haul. Just a quick little mini Ulta haul because like I went shopping today. And just in case you're interested in what I got, might as well show y'all, okay? Anyway, let's just get right into this video. I mean, I may have spent a little bit more than expected, but you know, I had 2 gift cards. So I said, you know what? Let's just put them to use, okay? This first one, I just want to show y'all that I got some lashes by Ardell. These are literally like my favorite lashes. This is in the number 817. They're just like these wispy little cute natural lashes, and it has a visible band, so like it looks a little bit more natural, kind of like almost your natural lash. You get what I'm saying. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, I had to get these. They're really cute. Next, I got this little kind of like this sculpting eyebrow brush from ELF. So it has a spoolie on one end, and then on the other end it has like this kind of like this flat little sculpting thing. So like you dip it in like some gel, and then like you just kind of like sculpt it up with your eyebrow. I'm gonna do like an actual video of me like trying out this stuff. I may just do like an updated makeup routine video. I think I'll do that, and like I'll definitely be using these products in that video. So like yeah, just stay tuned for that. And then with that brush, I ended up just going ahead and picking up the clear eyebrow gel that goes with it. It's supposed to like lift your eyebrows, you know, an easier way for you to sculpt your eyebrows and everything, you know, draw it out and all that stuff. So yeah, I mean, I'm gonna see what the hype is. And so I ended up getting, so y'all know, if you don't know already, Rihanna brought on her Fenty Beauty line to Ulta. At first it was only at Sophomore and like on her website, but now it's at Ulta, period. So I ended up getting a highlighter duo palette. This is the Kilowatt highlighter duo palette in the shade Momana, no, and this is in the shade dang, this is in the shade Me Money and Hustler Baby. It is so cute. Okay, let me show y'all this highlighter. Like, it's really cute. Like, I just have to show y'all. Like, it is so cute because I was trying it on in the store and I was like, wait a minute, this will look good in the summertime. It really would. Look at that, bro. Look at that. That is so cute. It's like, I like golden highlighter colors, and it's very pigmented, I can tell you that. Once you put it on, it ain't going nowhere. Alright, next thing I got this little brush from Real Techniques. So yeah, it won't focus, but I got this little kind of like highlighter brush from Technique. It's a highlighter brush, but I personally just bought it to like apply my setting powder and then like brush it away and stuff like that. So that's really why I bought it. And then I ended up buying a concealer for like my under eyes. I really hope this is light enough for my under eyes. I don't know, I've never like lightened up my under eyes before when doing my makeup, so we'll see how it looks. We'll see. I really think this is not light enough, but we'll see. But this is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Suede. And then they actually have a sale on their beauty deals. I guess you know how like every, like I guess in the, I don't know, certain months where they have like a certain sale on particular products like every day. So today they had a sale on one of their sunscreens, a beauty blender, and this Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz brush. So I've never tried this before. I remember like a lot of people tried this. I don't know, it had a lot of hype back in the day, stuff like that. I don't know. So I ended up trying this out to see what the hype is about, and I got it in the shade Ebony. So we're gonna also try that out in my new makeup video. I'm gonna film that like sometime this week. So yeah. And then since I ended up spending about $30 or like somewhat like that over on Fenty Beauty stuff, they ended up giving me a free lip gloss in the shade Hot Cherry. So I'm gonna show y'all what that looks like. So yeah, this is like really very much out of my comfort zone because like I'm so used to brown lip glosses, but we'll try it out, especially in the summertime. We'll try it out. So I ended up going back for a second trip, all in the same day, within the same hour. In this one, I ended up getting her foundation, Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 430. Y'all, when I tell y'all, when I tried this on in the store, it was literally like my exact skin color. It was literally like my exact skin color, and I was like, oh my gosh, I cannot wait to try this out. So like I said, when I film my makeup video, I cannot wait to see it, see how well it will cover my blemishes and stuff, because that will be the true test, okay? Period. And once again, I spent over $30 on Fenty Beauty, so they gave me another free lip gloss in the same shade. And then I decided that I want to try waxing my own eyebrows. So I'm gonna try waxing my own eyebrows. Now it's Natural Precision Eyebrow Wax One. We're gonna see how this goes. I saw another YouTuber use it and it went pretty well for her, so we're gonna try this out. I'm gonna try it out in a minute. So, and the last thing I got from ULTA was this daily scrub from Cetaphil, because y'all know I'm all about exfoliation. So I just had to go ahead and pick this up right here. So yeah, that's the scrub right there. Ended up getting that too. And yeah, Cetaphil is a good brand. I've used it before. I used it since like middle school. So, but yeah, that was literally my whole ULTA haul, y'all. That was it. Like that was a lot. That was a lot. I can't lie to you. So I'm gonna try waxing my eyebrows off camera. I should film it, but like I don't know. I don't know. It's crazy. But yeah, but thank y'all so much for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And yeah, I will also be doing like I'm probably gonna film a TikTok doing this. So if y'all want to see it, go check out my TikTok. It's at Kelci Nicole with 3 E's. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.